wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So right now, Bitcoin getting another nice reaction here from our buy area. Again, we are looking for a low to form and for basically a relief rally at the very least from this big sell-off that we've gotten, right? We've basically dropped from 107 all the way down to almost 87. We hit 88,800 today. So relief rally at this point would probably drive us to somewhere around 98,000. You could be in some sort of flat scenario. Now I'm marking this as like a Y. We can definitely dive into the subwaves and find out, like, is this an impulse? Is this the low, right? You could make all sorts of cases to how this is playing out. Now you could make the case that this is becoming an impulsive wave, or you could make the case that it's just an A, right? You're getting an A, and then you're gonna get a B, and then a C. And if this is the case, then you got one more low coming, right? And if that's the case, then your relief rally is gonna drive you up probably to like maybe something around 95 to 96,000. Could you exceed this? For sure. Like right now the Nasdaq's pumping, Nvidia earnings are good. Like the Nasdaq is almost up one entire percentage point overnight. You're gonna get a big gap up tomorrow. So if that's the case, then your short area would be right around here. Obviously it could exceed this because it is a flat, so flats can always go higher than what they should, and it could easily turn into an impulsive wave, some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even hit like 100,000 or 102. So trying to pick a top here is where the shorts who entered late and you panicked and you started shorting at the lows. This is where you're going to get blown up. This is where the shorts are going to get squeezed out of their positions, and it's already starting a little bit because we have already a nice move here, and it's pretty impulsive. $4,000 move, 4,900. It could get up to 95, and if it's able to get above 96, you're going to get another squeeze higher, and this can go on and on and on for quite a bit of time. If you manage to get above the trend line that we've mentioned, then that's going to act as support again, right? So we're going to look to see where this monthly is going to close. We are getting some early signs that a possible low has been struck, not only with the impulsive move, but with the fact that we've hit the 7-hour RSI band many times. We have a 12-hour buy signal here on CrossX daily time frame. No signal just yet. If we get a signal on the daily, that could be your first sign that a relief rally is coming, much, and it's going to go much higher. The daily time frame, you're printing a green dot at the moment on Market Cipher. The daily time frame, you're printing a big buy signal, right? On the daily time frame, not only are you printing a buy signal, you're printing an accumulation and a green cross. So both are printing at the moment. It's a little bit hard to see because I got it zoomed in, right? I got it overlaying each other, but there is an X here, right? So I guess you just have to take my word for it. But the indicator is there and it is flashing. So that's basically it. And in the 12-hour, you have a dip buy, another dip buy that came in. Last time we got this, we got a pretty nice move higher. We're getting a nice move up so far. So if this is it, then we should get a pretty decent rally, at least to 98. After that, it's decision time. Can we go higher or not? And if we can, then we're going to 112. If you're getting above 112, then I'm sorry to say that the bears were once again wrong, and we're going to get another move higher to new all-time highs, and this is going to turn into an impulsive move. But obviously that remains to be seen because we need the Nasdaq to obviously keep going, right? The risk assets to support the move higher, but not necessarily. There are some cases where Bitcoin can go up when the Nasdaq is going down, and we've seen that before. We've seen it happen before. And if the dollar were to fall at a tremendous rate, which I think it will once it reaches this area, right around when the US dollar JPY pair is hitting the area right now. I think once we get into this zone and we chop around for a little bit, then this is where this move is going to come to an end, and maybe the yen strengthens, the dollar weakens, and obviously we know that the dollar weakness is quite bullish for Bitcoin, right? And it doesn't mean it's gonna be super bullish and pump us up, because right now the dollar is up and Bitcoin's up, right? People are saying the dollar is down, Bitcoin's down. No, Not at all. Sometimes the dollar goes up and Bitcoin goes up too. In fact, if anything, the dollar goes up, gold goes down, which is more likely the case. Gold is more reactive to what the dollar moves as. Bitcoin is more, it reacts more to, like, I'd say, liquidity and its current trading environment due to risk assets. It's trading more alongside of those metrics, if anything. And so yeah. Anyways, that's it. If we get this move, watch for a possible rejection at 94 to 96. If we get above that, then it's 98 to 1. I mean, if you get above 98, then the door opens to possibly 112 and higher, right? And I'm not saying that there won't be resistance at 102 and stuff like that, but if we start to squeeze up, it could start to blow past everybody that got short at the wrong time, and they're gonna get liquidated. Right, we've seen lots of long liquidations recently. Now it's probably the time for the shorts to get liquidated. All right, and we play both sides of the trade, not just to make people angry that start shorting the lows, but if you definitely start shorting the lows, I highly recommend you come join the Discord with us, because we're not shorting the lows, that's for sure. All right, peace.